Anything in there, Stan?
5 beautiful little eggs.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice.
Bluebird eggs. See a nice fine, a nice nest. All they do is
All right, we're here checking out Bluebird box number 2. It looks like we got a swallow sitting in here. Oh, there she goes. What do we got in this one, Stan? Let's see what you got in here. What do we got in here? Yep, a couple eggs, some feathers,
let's see, we shoot.
and a bunch of junk.
We have 6 eggs.
Ooh. Oh, those are small.
Yeah, they're tiny round.
All right, Stan. We're a box ball Eddie. What do you think, swallow?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bluebird. 5 bluebird.
Let's get a good.
Why are those feathers in there? Though? It's a bluebird. Solid grass.
Yeah.
That's bluebird. That's swallows.
Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Okay.
See them?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
Swallows.
Go ahead. Cemetery. Old cemetery here in Delaware County.
So we got box 4. Jesus, that shit in there.
Mice. The mice are in. Look at the mouse in there. Get up close. Get it.
Looks like a chipmunk or something. Oh, it's a bird. Is that a bird? What the hell is that thing, Stan?
It's a flying squirrel.
Jesus. Jesus.
It's a flying squirrel. You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Beautiful. The big eyes, they're nocturnal. That's the first time I had a flying squirrel in one of my boxes.